Let's get started with pairing your phone to your child's Android phone. First, on your parent app, create a profile for your child. Enter the required information. Once you're done, click Create Profile. Then choose Yes, I want to pair. Next, select Android as your child's device operating system. A unique pairing code will appear. Next, download the Safes Kids app on your child's phone and open the app. Hit Get Started, accept the terms of service, and continue. To pair, enter the code from your parent device and click Pair. You can also pair using a QR code. Click on Method 2 on the parent device to receive a QR code. Now on your child's Safes Kids app, select Scan QR code instead. Scan the code displayed on the parent app, and the devices will link automatically. For battery optimization, click Allo when prompted, and then Allo again. Enable the system alert window by clicking Allo. When redirected to the list of apps, scroll down to Safes Kids and switch the toggle on. To prevent your child from deleting the app, click Allo and then Activate. For location data, click Allow, then select while using the app. For live location, click Allow, then select Allow all the time to track your child's location. You're all set. Now, set the recommended rules on your parent app, and you're good to go. Enjoy using Safes to support your family's digital well-being.